Hello to everyone. Good day, good morning, good evening, whenever you watch this video. I just drink my coffee and I open the earthquake list here on AMSC, and I saw a beautiful earthquake, 5.3 magnitude in Gulf of Aden at 7:01 in the morning. Well, 7:01, it's 9:01 in Croatian time. So let me show you something. This is the Comet Catalina here, US-10. This is the orbit, and this is the Gulf of Aden. So let me show you the epicenter. I add another because another earthquake was here, but Gulf of Aden is big, so I cannot what do you say, make just a cross. I will make a lot of crosses every time the earthquake occur. So this is the Gulf of Aden. Anyway, this is the epicenter. You see that here? That was at 8:30 in the morning. 8:30 in the morning. So this is the moment of the earthquake. As you can see, let me go back, just let me show you something very important. Watch how the comet comes exactly in and bang, here's the earthquake. And now, do you remember what I say, what will be the magnitude of this circle of comet, this mount? Do you understand what I mean? As I said, it will be about 5.5 or more, possibly more, especially when the moon will be closer. Now, as you can see, this is 5.3, so my prediction is very, very well back up. And something else I would like to show you now, and this is the most important part of this information. So let me show you this, because this is very, very dangerous. You don't know how dangerous this is. So this is the moon here. You see the moon here? This is the moon. And this is the orbit of US-10. You see that here? It goes straight here and crossing the orbit of the moon. So the distance between the moon and between the crossing of the orbit of the Catalina US-10, which is here, and you can see Catalina at that moment was in alignment, completely in alignment with the moon and almost with the sun. Let me show you this alignment. Watch this. This is Catalina, and this is the moon, and this is the moment of the earthquake. Look at that alignment. Look at that alignment. And then we have alignment here. And then we have alignment here, which is the orbital alignment. So as you can see here, moon is away from the place where the orbit cut the orbit of the moon. Now, can you imagine what will happen when the moon will be exactly here in the moment of the earthquake? I mean, this is incredible. I mean, this is the perfect example of what I'm talking about. I mean, perfect example. I'm so happy for this earthquake, because I like when this earthquake, nothing is closed here, I mean, this is amazing. I'm really, very surprised with this, what's going on here. And this is the orbit of the Mercury. You see, this is the Mercury. You see, so Catalina is very easily seen. It's between. So this is the Venus here. This is the orbit of the Venus. Let me see if I can. Just a moment. Let's take the orbit of the Venus like this. So this is the orbit of the Venus. You see that orbit here? You see that here? So Catalina is behind the Venus. People, do you understand? We got now the position of the Catalina. Catalina is behind the Venus, and Catalina V4 is passing between the Sun and the Mercury. Do you understand? So Catalina, it's between the Sun and the Mercury. This is the passage where it's going between the Sun and Mercury, and the US 10. It's between the Mercury and the Venus. Yes, that is correct. So now we know where the Nibiru is. Now we know where the Nibiru is. And a lot of people who are following this subject said that Nibiru is behind the Venus. And this is very, very possible, people. Very, very possible. I'm talking about that close. That's why we see these objects so big and so large. Thank you very much, and stay tuned. We have very, very interesting May in front of us.